Great Scott! We've got to go back to this week, 40 years ago.
It's 1985. Where we are going, we don't need roads.
Don't need money, don't take fame, don't need no credit card to ride this train. It's strong and it's sudden, it can be cruel sometimes, but it might just save your life. You see that all in love is fair, but you don't care. You know what to do when it gets hold of you. And with a little help from above, you feel the power of love.
Welcome to 1985. Bang in the middle of the greed is good decade, we had a glimpse of hope for the future with Live Aid. And to celebrate that, you had some beautiful songs like Queen's One Vision and A Kind of Magic. The cream of the American pop industry came together and produced We Are the World. Love was everywhere. 3 different artists had 3 different global hits with 3 different songs, all with the same title. Steven Spielberg and Bob Zemekis got together and gave us the first episode of one of the greatest film trilogies of all time. So we're getting back in the DeLorean, set the controls for 1985, and with my old tech, we're going to take on Huey Lewis's The Power of Love. This is a song with 3 very distinct parts. There's a lot of light and shade in this song. You've got the chorus, which is blasting out power chords. You've got the verse, which has a funky little staccato accompaniment. And you've got the bridge, with a smooth, slow feel to it. So the song intros with those power chords from the chorus. So let's start with the chorus. You got a G, a C, you got a C over E, an F, and a B flat. And it goes like this. Alright, and up to speed. So in the chorus, you were doing pretty much what the guitar would be doing in the full band version of the song. For the verse, you're going to need to do some filling in because the guitar part on its own won't carry an acoustic version. It's just... You're going to need to add a bass into it. I find the handiest way to do that is up here, 8th and 10th frets. Bar the 8th fret on the 3 bass strings. Then add on your pinky here. Pluck the E string. Then pluck the D and A. Lift off your pinky. And back on. That goes. Next part is quite tricky. You do an E flat block chord. So 6th fret on the A string, 8th fret on the D and G strings. Now have your middle finger here to do the 7th fret on the G string. Take off your pinky. So that part goes. So those first 2 chords are. Then you got an F block chord, so that's 8th fret on the A string, 10th fret on the D and G strings. 2 ups. Then you got just this little phrase here. D and G strings, 8th fret. Then keep the 8th fret on the D string and play a 7th fret on the G string. So slowly that whole stretch goes. And that's how you play the verse. That goes maybe 8 times, 16 times, I'm not sure. You'll find out when you try it. Now the last thing to do is the bridge. Pretty much for the whole bridge, you're going to need to bar those 4 treble strings like that. So that starts here on an E flat over G. Just 4 strings. If you like, you can just give it a single strum. Or I like to do just fill it in with a couple of upstrokes on single strings as well. So it goes. So that's strum down, then pluck 1, 2, 3, 4 back up. Next thing is a G7 over F. Then you got a C minor over G. Then you got an F7. Then an A flat major 7. E flat over G. A flat major 7 again. E flat over G again. One last A flat major 7. Then you got a G sus4 this way. So bar all 6 strings on the 3rd fret, then 5th fret on the A, D and G strings, and you give that 4 strong staccato strums. So like this. Then a G. So that's bar all 6 strings on the 3rd fret, then 5th fret on the A and D strings, 4th fret on the G string. 1 strum. And you're back into a verse. And that's how you play The Power of Love by Huey Lewis. Now, if you have any trouble understanding any part of that video, don't forget you could just go back along the video, try again. You'll get there. Just keep that guitar out, keep practicing. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like below, subscribe to the channel, check out a similar video up here, or my latest video right over my head. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm Niall. Learn a tune a week. Build up those chops.